Samuel moved to the newsstand, where the morning papers were discarded in a heap. He gathered the damp sheets, smoothing them out against his thigh. A vendor near the bus bay needed to know the morning's headlines to chat with his regular customers, but he never had time to read. Samuel approached, holding out a paper with the lead story highlighted by a smudge of grease. The vendor paused, looked at the headline, and tossed a half-eaten sandwich onto the counter. It was a simple exchange, but it sparked a new path. Samuel began to watch for more than just news. He listened to the merchants complain about missing shipments or delayed deliveries. He started walking the perimeter of the terminal, gathering scraps of talk. When he heard a driver mention a shortcut blocked by construction, he took that detail to the fruit seller who relied on timely deliveries. The seller traded a bruised apple for the tip. Samuel realized that information moved faster than any bus and held more value than any discarded scrap. He stopped scavenging for leftovers and started hunting for facts.